Welcome to GemHub Tutorials. Are you ready to share your beautiful jewelry photos with your customers? Today, I'll show you just how easy it is to download images of your jewelry using the GemHub app. Let's get started. First, open the GemHub app and head to your gallery. Here, you'll see all your photos and videos neatly organized. To start downloading, select the photos or videos you want by ticking the boxes in the top left corner of each image. Once you're done selecting, a ribbon will appear at the top of your screen. Click the Download button in the ribbon. A Download Settings box will pop up. This allows you to choose the image format you prefer for your downloads. GemHub lets you download in either JPG or PNG format. Select your preferred option. If you're a pro user, GemHub will also allow you to customize the image size by entering the dimensions you need from the same Download Settings box. After selecting the format, click Download. GemHub will save your images to your device in seconds. And that's it! Your jewelry photos are now downloaded and ready to share with your customers, whether it's for your website, social media, or marketing materials. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tips to supercharge your jewelry sales.